Hi friends, Tina Did It here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how I made this adorable snowman. I am trying to decorate my front porch and get it ready for Christmas, so I am doing little projects here and there, but I will be placing this by my front door and I'll be making another one actually for one on each side. But I made this using mostly Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. To make the snowman's body, I'm going to take 2 of the jack-o'-lantern's candy buckets. I did find these at Target. They are $1, and yes, so that's where I picked up my candy buckets. But now I'm going to go in with wire cutters and cut the handle off. Remember, for your convenience, I will be putting all the items that I used in this video and where I got them from down in the description box. And here's a sticker just in case you'd like to order it from online. And of course, we're going to be taking those tags off. And now I'm going to go in with white acrylic paint by Apple Barrel, and I'm going to paint both buckets. You could spray paint it, it's probably much easier, but I decided to go in with acrylic paint and it worked just as good. Now I'm taking some stones and I'm putting it inside. Like I said, I will be putting this outside, so I want to add some weights to this. So this is a perfect time to add some weights. Now I have this tree color from Dollar Tree. They do have, it comes in red and I believe the other one is galvanized. It's like the silver color. That's going to be the base for the snowman. Now for the hat, I'm going to use the dinner plate that you see here. It comes in a set of 4 and a cookie box. And I took all of that and I spray painted them. So I E6000 the cookie container onto the dinner plate. And now I'm just decorating it with some ribbon, and I did also spray paint the skirt collar black as well. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell because I have awesome Christmas ideas for you. Now I'm taking my skirt collar once that black paint is dry, and I'm going to go around the rim with E6000, and I'm going to place the bottom part of the snowman, which is the jack-o'-lantern, one of the buckets, onto the skirt collar. Here I'm just adding some more stones just for extra weight, and now I'm going to draw the snowman's face. Remember, I'm not an artist, so I did my best, and I'm just going to go in with white, black, and orange, and I'm going to trace it all in. And a snowman is not a snowman without his buttons, so be sure to grab a few buttons. Now I'm going to grab some of these dowels from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut one of them into 4 pieces, and I'm going to leave 2 as is. These are 12-inch each, and they're pretty easy to cut. I went in with my wire cutters, and it just, put some pressure on it. Eventually, you can just snap it, and it comes right off. Now I'm just going to go in with hot glue and make the hands. You can totally skip out on this step. You don't have to have arms, or you can put mittens on the hands instead. That part is optional. I think mittens would look cute as well, especially that I'm adding a scarf later on to my snowman. So maybe later on I'll be adding mittens to this. Now I'm going to make two hands and then paint them brown. Now notice my dowel doesn't fit through the hole in the bottom bucket down there. So what I'm going to do to make it a little bigger, I'm going to go in with my glue gun, and don't press the button. You're just going to go in with the heat of the nozzle on top and just keep measuring to just see when you can put it in. Eventually I just had to push my entire glue gun in because the dowel was kind of big. So just keep trying, and then eventually your dowel stick should fit right through. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And here is my snowman person. Now it's time to glue on the hat. She turned out pretty cute. So I'm going to take E6000 and I will be gluing the hat on the head. You could also add stones to this on the inside if you'd like, but I just decided I put enough in the bottom part of the body. So I'm just going to glue on the hat, and I'll be putting everything together using E6000. And here he is. Isn't he adorable? Now I did add a scarf from Dollar Tree right there, and the buttons I glued in place using hot glue. Now this snowman, if you were to buy it from outside, it would cost way more than $10 if you would buy it from the store. But this costs us less than $10 to make. So definitely try to make this yourself. And yes, I'll be making another one for the other side of my door. And yeah, let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. I think you turned out adorable. Now, if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!